At number 10.
Oh, he's got under that cutting. That's big. That's big. That's flicked his wrist like MS Dhoni. Flick 6. Watch this. Hasn't even swung.
At number 9.
Oh my goodness, that's all of it for me. Oh, look at that.
At number 8.
Dhoni this time. My goodness.
At number 7.
Oh, there's absolutely brilliant. He gave us a big heave-ho helicopter.
At number 6.
Dhoni is the goal. He's in it in the air. Peter trying to get underneath it. And he's gone all the way.
There you go. That'll do. Quite sure what he did there, but it's very, very effective.
At number 5.
15 wickets. It's shot. It's a magic. Ball one in the slot. Look at that. The pose.
At number 4. At number 3.
So wickets. Oh, it's gone high. You got running around. Did Wigan? No. Well, I've 6 duck waddle scoop or what? What's it?
I don't know. You guys are...
At number 2.
Dhoni this time. My goodness. That's just nonchalant.
At number 1. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and comment. Also subscribe our channel for more cricket videos.